let's take a look at finding complementary and supplementary angles. So find, if possible, the complement and supplement of 2 pi over 5 and 4 pi over 5. So remember, for complementary, what that means is that alpha plus beta has to equal 90 degrees, or pi over 2. We are working in radians in this case. Then for the supplementary angles, alpha plus beta has to equal pi. So let's find the complement of 2 pi over 5. So what we're going to do is we're going to subtract pi over 2 from the 2 pi over 5. So we need a common denominator, so I'm going to multiply this one on the left by 5 over 5 and this one by 2 over 2. So this becomes 5 pi minus 4 pi over 10, or this becomes pi over 10 is the complement. Then to find the supplement, we're just going to subtract pi, and then minus 2 pi over 5. So this is going to be 5 pi over 5 minus 2 pi over 5, which ends up being 3 pi over 5 is the supplement. So let's try this next example. B, 4 pi over 5. Well, we can kind of tell that that's past pi over 2. So in this case, for the complement, there's none because it's greater than pi over 2. So this has no complement. Now supplement, what we're going to do is do pi minus 4 pi over 5. So that's 5 pi minus 4 pi all over 5, which is just pi over 5 as our supplement. So try these examples here, pi over 6 and 5 pi over 6. So now let's take a look at arc length. To measure arc length along a circle, use a radian measure formula. Theta equals S over R. So for a circle of radius R, a central angle theta intercepts an arc of length S, given by S equals the radius, radius times theta. Theta is measured in radians, so really important that we remember that. Theta is in radians. Note that if R equals 1, then S equals theta, and the radian measure of theta equals the arc length. So let's find the arc length. A circle has a radius of 4 inches. Find the length of the arc intercepted by a central angle of 240 degrees. So first of all, we need to convert the 240 degrees to radians. So 240 degrees times pi over 180 degrees. And so we know that 60 goes into both, so that's going to be 4 pi over 3 equals theta. The other thing we know is the radius. Radius is 4 inches. So now we just plug it in. S equals 4 times 4 pi over 3. So therefore, it is 16 pi over 3. So you would leave this as the answer because if we don't use a calculator for quizzes, tests, and so forth, you would just leave it here in simplified form. Now, sometimes you have to convert it if it's a word problem or WebAssign or so forth, so use a calculator. If you did that, it would be 16.76 inches. So try this last example. A circle has a radius of 27 inches. Find the length of the arc intercepted by a central angle of 160 degrees. Remember, we're using S equals R times theta. So if you try this out, you would have had to convert 160 degrees to radians, and so that ends up being 8 pi over 9. Then you just plug it into the formula, and you would get the arc length is 24 pi, and if you plugged it into the calculator, you would get 75.40. Sorry, it's a little messy there, so let me rewrite. 75.40 inches.